In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Google Forms. If you've got an ebook, a template, a preset, or any file you'd like to offer, Google Forms can help you collect the right details from buyers quickly and cleanly. We'll use the built-in Gemini helper to draft a form for us, then make a few simple edits so it fits your product perfectly. Start by opening Google Forms in your browser. You'll land on the Forms homepage where you can create something new or pick from templates. To keep things focused on your product, choose Blank Form. This gives you a clean slate and opens the editor in a new tab, ready for setup. When the new form opens, you should see a Gemini prompt appear. This is Google's AI assistant that can generate a form layout based on what you tell it. Think of it as a jumpstart. You give it a brief, and it drafts the structure so you don't have to build every question from scratch. In the Gemini prompt, type a clear description of the digital product you're selling and the information you want to collect. Be specific. For example, mention the product type, who it's for, the price point, and the buyer details you need, like name and email. If you deliver by sending a download link after purchase, include that context so the form can add an email field. The more precise your description, the better the initial draft will match your needs. Once your description looks good, click Create. Gemini will think for a moment and propose a form based on your prompt. You'll then see an option to confirm. Go ahead and click Create Form. This applies the generated structure to your editor so you can review and refine it. Now you can edit the questions if you like. Rename the form title to match your product and adjust the description to briefly explain what buyers receive and how they'll get it. Review each question for clarity, choose the right response type, and mark important fields as required so you don't miss critical information. Remove anything that doesn't fit, reorder questions for a smooth flow, and make labels user-friendly. If helpful, add a short note about delivery timing or support so expectations are clear. Keep the wording simple, keep the number of questions minimal, and focus on what you truly need to fulfill an order. And that's it. You've used Google Forms and Gemini to spin up a clean, buyer-friendly form for your digital product, and with a few edits, it's tailored to your offer and ready to use.